Hello! Do you know the subtraction number bonds for the number 5? If you don't, that's great because we're going to be teaching you that today. So, subtraction and number bonds, what that means is what two numbers subtracted, so take away from another, equal 5. So you could have one easy one like this. You could have 10 take away 5 and that equals 5. So that's a great number bond. Okay, that's really good. Or you could have a number like this. You could have 7 take away 2. That's also another great number bond because that equals 5. And it's quite easy to work out. Okay, but what about this one? Does this equal 5? You tell me. Have a think. Yes, you got it! Well done! That does equal 5. So that's another great number bond, okay? So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!